Hello internet friends, Chris Masto here. Real quick share of a thing that I made. You may or may not have been following the saga of these Nabu PC 40-year-old retro computers from Canada. I'm not going to recap the whole thing at all. Suffice it to say that if you get one of these things, you need to install some software on a computer in order to be able to do stuff with it. So I was thinking, wouldn't it be interesting if you didn't have to install any software at all? So what I've done here is built a site where if you type nabu.run into your web browser, you will get this page, and it will ask you to select your serial port. So I've connected my serial adapter here to my Chromebook. Now, say Chromebook, not a real computer. It doesn't even have the ability to run said software. And then I will power on the Nabu, and we will see what we will see after its beeps and boops of doing its power on self-test. And there we go. It is loading. Ta-da! Yeah, so what we have here is a pure JavaScript implementation of a Nabu Internet adapter using the Web Serial API that is supported basically by Chrome. And that allows you to connect up the thing and run the programmies. And then we can go ahead and just pick some game at random here. And that loads too. So yeah, I think most people will, of course, want to install a more full-featured internet adapter, but first of all, I'm just going to turn this off, noise. First of all, this was just a thing I made for fun. I wanted to write some code, and it seemed like an interesting project, so I wrote it. It doesn't matter whether it's useful or not. But I think it is kind of useful because, again, if you get a Nabu and you want to just immediately play with it, you basically just plug it in, open up a browser, and you're ready to go. And that'll at least tide you over until you have 2 minutes to download and install fancier software. Very, very, very early version. Like, this barely works at all, but it does work. So I figured I would release it upon the world and let you know what I basically spent the last weekend figuring out how to make go. And that's it. So I will stop there and see you in the next one. Bye.